In this tutorial, we'll discuss more advanced prompts. For example, we'll select this prompt. Some of those prompts already made with OpenAI, and you'll receive quite interesting results. Something like this, more funny, but we'll also discuss it as well. So I'm simply selecting the source image. I'm pasting my prompt. So what is in this prompt? Push creative direction beyond standard real estate advertising. Think in terms of lifestyle branding, architecture, storytelling, emotion, and inspiration rather than properly selling. Headlines should feel bold, confident, and brand defining, not generating marketing slogans. So it's quite general, but let's see how it will go. It's part where we try to give advanced prompt to AI and receive, multiple different results. So it's something similar as we were testing, reimagining our architecture, but now we are trying to reimagine the idea of poster presentation. And let's wait a while this is generating. Let's create a second option, more difficult, more interesting. So here we try to give some free space for text. It's very common, as you know. Each poster needs a space for text, and this prompt will solve this issue. So I'm copy pasting it, and now we are simply coming back to our source image. I'm selecting source image, I'm selecting my prompt, and let's check what do we have. Create a high-end social media poster for a premium real estate company using provided render as the main visual. Keep architecture unchanged and photorealistic. Yeah, that's good enough to inform about that. Design a clean, modern poster with elegant typography and strong visual hierarchy. Okay. Place bold headline at the top of the image, inspired by the phrase, "This is not real estate." So yeah, we have now some basic information, but reinterrupt it. Okay, minimal luxury running style, balanced spacing, soft gradients. Okay, and premium emotion, additional look suitable for Instagram, LinkedIn, cinematic light. Okay. Subtle contrast, professional real estate marketing quality, modern typography, no logos unless naturally embedded. So, okay, it's like quite advanced prompt, very big. I used OpenAI to optimize it. You can use Gemini, DeepSeek, or any engine you wish. But generally, please remember that not always our imagination is enough. So it's good to discuss with AI some prompt ideas. We'll also make a new tutorials about prompt creation with AI. So now we have a few tries, and let's wait a while for a result. And while we're waiting, let's discuss our results with this prompt. So we try to create something more interesting in lifestyle branding. And what have we received? We received really good results. Very good results, and I'm pretty happy to see that. Like now I am able to change something on those posters, remove or add something. And to be fair, all of them are okay for social media, or all of them are okay for printing. We can then simply upscale them, select them. And the main idea of that, you can simply find the best direction with your client, customer, investor, like in what direction you should move in the future with your 2D team. So yeah, it's like, it's not a final product, but it's speeding up your workflow incredibly. Like you're now like 10 times closer to the final concept than you were like 10 seconds before. So that's how we use it, and that's how I recommend you to use it. Yeah, and let's check our latest prompt. Our latest prompt is quite cool also. It's much more built, and we see like typical real estate poster design. Like I'm quite happy with that. So now we have a lot of space above. We have more text. We have some natural light, natural gradients, made it for better reading of the text. And we have the similar at the bottom. As you see, time to time, AI tries to reframe it, but we were not asking it at all. So yeah, sometimes AI as a kid not understand us correctly, but the result is very good. Like result is very good. And as you see, like 1 year ago, AI was not understanding text at all. And there was just simply some strange symbols on an image, but now you have normal text. You can replace it. You can discuss with AI some new ideas and put it on your posters, as you see, or replace or add or remove. So yeah, perfectly, everything works fine. So you'll find all the information on the left side of the project. It was discussed during our tutorials, and in the next tutorial I will be glad to discuss with you option where we can mix our source image with our logos, or we can restyle our posters with some cool keywords or our inspirational posters from our competitors. So thanks for your attention, and I hope to see your results, and feel free to tag us at any social media, or if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. See you soon and goodbye.